Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing hardware and installing the OS so you can work head down. Flash Raspberry Pi OS to the micro SD, enable SSH, and update packages. Next, connect and test your microphone and speaker so audio I/O is reliable. Use AirAccord and a play. Once done, create a dedicated Linux user, set up a persistent hostname, and install Python 3 and virtualenv so your assistant runs in an isolated environment. Now you assemble the core software. virtualenv for isolation, libraries for wake word detection, speech recognition, and TTS. You'll capture audio continuously, run a wake word model locally, then stream audio to a recognition engine for transcription. Once you have intents, map them to actions, GPO control, web API calls, or local scripts, and return spoken responses. Make sure to log audio events and latency so you can optimize. To finish, configure your assistant to run on boot with a systemd service and add a watchdog to restart on failure. Secure the device. Use SSH keys, change default credentials, and enable firewall rules so only necessary ports are open. Once done, test remote commands and local intents thoroughly. If audio stops or sounds wrong, check ALSA or pulse audio levels, kernel device permissions, and that the microphone sampling rate matches your wake word model. Adjust settings and restart the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.